Well-maintained brick ranch close to Ball State University and hospital. Circular floor plan and main living area includes spacious kitchen, dining area, and living room with gas fireplace. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with updates throughout. Kitchen features abundant cabinets, refrigerator, dishwasher, and oven/range. Newer carpeting, laminate flooring, and replacement windows. Enclosed porch currently used as the kids' playroom. Corner lot, covered front porch, storage shed, and fenced yard. Average monthly utility cost: gas, $55, electric, $147.